In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions to images in WordPress. If you want to make your images more informative and visually polished, adding a caption is a simple and effective way to do it. Captions can help explain what the image shows, add context for your readers, and improve the overall presentation of your page. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the quick process for adding text directly over an image inside WordPress. To begin, go to your WordPress site and open the page or template where your image appears. Once you're in the editor, click directly on the image you want to work with. This is an important first step because selecting the image brings up the image-specific editing options. If you don't see the tools right away, make sure the image itself is highlighted and active in the editor before moving on. After the image is selected, look for the option that lets you add text over the image. Click the Add Text Over Image icon to continue. This tool allows you to place text directly on top of the image, which is useful when you want the caption to appear as part of the visual design rather than below the image. Depending on your theme or editor layout, the icon may appear in a toolbar near the image, so take a moment to locate it carefully. Once you've clicked that option, type your caption. Keep your caption clear and concise, so it adds value without overcrowding the image. A good caption usually supports the image by identifying what the viewer is seeing or providing a short explanation that connects it to the surrounding content. If the image already communicates a lot visually, a brief caption is often the best choice. As you enter the text, pay attention to how it looks against the image background. For readability, shorter wording that usually works better, especially if the image has a lot of detail. You want the caption to be easy to read and visually balanced. If needed, you can adjust the wording so it feels natural and fits comfortably within the space available. And that's it. Once you've selected the image, click the Add Text Over Image icon and typed your caption. You've successfully added a caption to your image in WordPress. It's a quick edit, but it can make your content look more professional and easier for visitors to understand.